Alright, so while those are up there baking, we are going to make some with regular size perler beads. And I've got these two pegboards right here, just to let you know that these give off different patterns because the pegs are positioned differently. Like this one has, you know, the straight lines, and then in this one they are diagonal, which will give you that perfect shape if you're trying to do like triangle pieces or diamonds compared to this one. So let's go ahead and do a few. All right, now that you have your earrings done, what you want to do is get a piece of parchment paper, and you want to take your iron, make sure it has no water in it. Lord have mercy, my husband put some goddamn water in this. Okay, you do not want it to let any steam or water out, but you want to press on the beads and just go over them in a circular motion so that you can start to melt them. And all right, you guys, I just took them out the oven. From there, you just want to let them cool for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. It don't take long. And then, I mean, shoot, you ready to go after that. All right, and then from there, you can go ahead and take them off and embellish them. You can put the vinyl on, or you can just put some gems on them. I think that's what I'm going to go ahead and do with this set. I did the vinyl before. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some rhinestones to these and bling them out. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.